Self-lender accounts are designed around a fixed installment schedule, which means early payoff usually depends on the specific loan terms and whether early payoff is allowed in your account. By the end, you'll know how early payoff works with self-lender, what actually happens when you try to close it early, and the steps you need to take without damaging your credit progress. Start with the key idea. Self-lender is structured like an installment loan, with scheduled monthly payments. That structure is what gets reported to credit bureaus. Now explain what that means. Credit reporting is tied to that payment schedule, not just the balance you owe. So paying it off early can change how the account is reported depending on timing. Now explain the first important check. Open your self-lender account and look for your payoff or early closure options. Some accounts allow early payoff, while others are designed to complete only through scheduled payments. Now explain what users often misunderstand. Paying off early does not automatically improve your credit faster. Credit scoring systems value payment history over time, not just early completion. Now explain the real benefit of early payoff. The main benefit is freeing up monthly cash flows sooner. It also closes the account and marks it as completed sooner on your credit report. Now explain the trade-off. If you end the account too early, you may shorten the length of your credit history from that account. That can slightly reduce the long-term value of the account's payment record. Now explain when early payoff makes sense. Early payoff makes sense if you want to reduce monthly obligations, or you're focusing on simplifying your finances. Now explain when it does not make sense. It does not make sense if your goal is to maximize the amount of reported payment history over time. Now explain the actual process step. Log into your self-lender account, check your payoff balance, and review the terms for early closure. Then confirm how payoff will be reported before you complete it. Now explain what happens after payoff. Once the account is closed, it will be marked as completed on your credit report, and no further monthly payments will be reported. Now summarize the key points. Self-lender follows a structured installment schedule that drives credit reporting. Early payoff may be allowed, but it depends on your account terms. And the decision is more about timing and credit strategy than speed. One practical next step. Check your account terms before making an early payment decision, because the payoff structure determines how your credit history is affected. If this helped, like the video, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of credit building tools without confusion.